Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best headlight restorer you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best headlight restorer in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Maguires TwoStep Headlight Restoration Kit. Maguires TwoStep Headlight Restoration Kit quickly and easily restores clarity to oxidized, yellowed headlights in 2 simple steps. A 4 ounces bottle of headlight cleaner, a 4 ounces canister of headlight coating, and 2 pads are included in this car care kit. To remove yellowing, clouding, and oxidation by hand, use 1 vehicle pad with Maguires cleaning solution. The new headlamp coating improves optical clarity on clear automotive plastic and gives up to 12 months of protection against UV radiation and the elements. Cleaning your automobile headlights is a simple and quick operation that requires no tools. Mask off the headlight and work in the shade on a clean, cool, dry headlight. Using the cleaning pad and cleaning solution, clean the surface. Cover the headlights completely with the headlight coating to totally restore them to a crystal clear gloss and protect them against reoxidation for up to a year. Maguires Headlight Restoration Kit removes clouding, yellowing, and oxidation to restore your headlights to a clear finish if they are cloudy or discolored. Maguires has been driving the art and science of automotive care since 1901, enabling car enthusiasts to have enjoyable experiences maintaining and safeguarding their vehicles. For details, let's watch more. Our second best headlight restorer is Cerakote Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit. Cerakote has the best headlight restoration kit if you want a ceramic coating that not only protects against UV rays but also restores light output on heavily oxidized headlamps. The Cerakote Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit has 3 steps, the first of which is an oxidation removal wipe. Cerakote is a ceramic headlight restoration kit that is designed to chemically attach to your headlights and provide UV protection for the life of the vehicle. The business guarantees that this coating will last for as long as you own the vehicle. Your kit has everything you need. There are no tools needed that could damage your headlights or paint. Nothing is worse than having to contact a wild uncle you haven't seen since the holidays because he has the power equipment you require. He fires up his wheezing disc sander after yelling "stand clear," and runs it off your headlight and across the paint on your hood. It's too late now. This isn't your typical bait and switch scheme. Our ceramic coating gives an extra layer of UV protection that is guaranteed to last. We believe in giving the best products on the planet to our consumers the first time. Third pick in our list is 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit. The 3M Headlight Lens Restoration Kit is a set of professional-grade solutions designed to remove the foggy, yellowed haze that accumulates on car headlight lenses. Kits employ a technique of light abrasives to keep vehicles looking beautiful while saving money on pricey lens replacement. They come with detailed instructions as well as 3M Trizact sanding discs, pads, tape, and polishes. This kit has a lot to offer. With 3M's dry sanding at 500 and 800 grit, we had a clearer idea of what was going on with the lens, and with the final 3000 grit wet sand and UV wipes, we had literally new-looking headlights. According to 3M, its coating is good for up to 2 years and requires only 1 hour of curing time. The drill attachment had a thick, soft cushion that contoured well to the headlight's curvature. The 3M Headlight Lens Restoration System outlines a 3-step process for sanding down the grit on your headlights utilizing a set of coarse Trizact discs. One video reviewer goes so far as to describe the sanding pads as magical in their ability to remove debris. Because the equipment is drill-based, it should take less time than hand buffing, though the total labor time will depend on the cloudiness of your headlights. You can also use the sanding discs by hand to access hard-to-reach spots. Number 4 in our side is Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit. The Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit will restore your lenses to like new condition for a fraction of the expense of replacing all of your vehicle's lenses. In 3 simple actions, You can restore the original clarity and vision to sun-damaged plastic headlight lenses. Remove haze and reduce road glare to improve your down-road vision. The Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit also contains a patented UVB clear coat coating that will keep your lens clarity for a long time. Spray Surface Activator, a unique surface corrosion softener available only from Sylvania, liberally onto each headlight lens until completely covered. Allow this liquid to settle on each lens for approximately 50 seconds. The yellow gunk will begin to degrade almost immediately. To eliminate loosened corrosion, thoroughly rinse with water. Using the 400, 1000, and 2000 grits and paper included in the package, use the wet sanding procedure outlined on the instruction sheet. This will eliminate rusting. Use even circular motions to apply the clarifying chemical. Rinse and pat dry. Rinse with water after reapplying the surface activator for 30 seconds. You'll be surprised with how clear the lenses are already. Ensure that any moisture is removed from the headlight lens and the surrounding area. The UV block clear coat will then be applied. It's straightforward. Simply apply as directed in smooth, even strokes. This UV block clear coat is a specifically designed polymer coating that contains both active and passive UV blockers. This is the component that provides long-term results. Last in our best headlight restorer list is Mother's Headlight Renewal Kit. The Mother's New Lens Headlight Restoration Kit is designed to repair and restore sun-damaged headlight lenses to their original splendor. This product combats plastic yellowing while also removing light scratches from its surface. The fact that it provides clarity within seconds of application and lasts for years is astounding. This kit includes a 3-inch backing plate, repair discs, and an 8 ounces bottle of liquid polish. It also includes a Powerball 4 lights tool, which aids in future clarity and protection against oxidation. Your car's headlights are subjected to a variety of harmful environmental variables regardless of where you live. Sunlight, UV radiation, frequent heating and cooling, rain, smog, harsh chemicals, pitting, and other variables can hasten the oxidation process, rapidly dulling and deteriorating your lenses. Not only are yellow, cloudy headlights ugly, but they also diminish light output and impair your ability to see at night, posing a severe safety risk. It may appear difficult to restore headlamp clarity, but it is not. It couldn't be easier to remove yellowing and stains, as well as buff out ugly hairline scratches, smudges, and defects. Mother's New Lens Headlight Renewal Kit is a breakthrough product that uses a drill-mounted precision foam polishing ball to restore, maintain, and protect all varieties of smooth plastic headlights to crystal clarity. A simple polishing method can safely restore most lenses in minutes.